Hi guys, if you need the IFSC code for your bank transfer and you are using ICICI application, this guide is going to help you. So you are going to learn exactly how to find the IFSC code inside the app. So you just have to simply open your ICICI bank mobile application on your phone, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. On the home screen itself, you just have to tap on your account or the saving account, and this is going to open the detailed account information. So when the details are opened in front of you, you just have to scroll down in order to find the branch details. Now inside the account details section, you are going to see the IFSC code, which will be listed along with the branch name and the MICR code. And this is the code that you need for NEFT, RTGS or IMPS transfers. Now you can also find it by using this particular link in your web browser. So you can come here on icicibank.in/find ATM branch/IFSC code. So over here, you just have to simply search for your branch and it is going to show you the IFSC code in front of you. You can also first of all select your state from here. Afterwards, you just have to select your city and then simply select your branch. And as you can see, the IFSC code is here. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.